A part-sun balcony offers a unique opportunity. It receives gentle morning light or filtered sunlight throughout the day. This condition is ideal for many colorful perennials that prefer balanced exposure. In container gardens, plant selection becomes even more important. Each plant must offer both visual impact and reliable performance in limited space. This is a selection of colorful perennials that adapt well to part-sun balcony conditions, while maintaining strong ornamental value. First, heuchera, also known as coral bells. This plant is valued for its foliage rather than flowers. The leaves come in shades of burgundy, lime green, amber, and deep purple. Heuchera forms a compact mound, making it suitable for containers. It thrives in part sun, where the colors remain vibrant without fading. The foliage creates a consistent base layer that anchors the entire arrangement. Next, astilbe. Astilbe introduces soft, feathery plumes in shades of pink, red, and white. It prefers slightly moist soil and performs well in partial sunlight. The flowers rise above fern-like foliage, adding vertical softness. This creates contrast against broader leaves in the container. Astilbe works especially well as a seasonal highlight. Next, coleus. Although often treated as an annual, coleus behaves like a perennial in warm climates. It is one of the most versatile foliage plants for containers. The leaves display bold patterns with combinations of green, red, yellow, and purple. Coleus thrives in part sun, where colors stay intense without scorching. It adds immediate visual energy to any balcony garden. Another strong option is begonia, particularly fibrous or rex types. Begonias provide both decorative leaves and delicate flowers. They prefer indirect light and stable moisture levels. In containers, they create a balanced look with continuous color. Begonias are especially useful for softening edges and filling gaps. Next, salvia. Certain perennial salvias adapt well to part-sun conditions. They produce upright spikes of blue, purple, or red flowers. Salvia attracts pollinators and adds vertical structure. In a balcony setting, it introduces movement and rhythm as flowers sway in the breeze. Next, caladium. Caladium is grown for its striking foliage. The leaves feature patterns of white, pink, red, and green. It thrives in shaded to part-sun environments. In containers, caladium acts as a focal point. The large leaves create a bold tropical effect without overwhelming the space. Another reliable perennial is dianthus. Dianthus produces small, fragrant flowers in shades of pink, red, and white. It prefers bright conditions but tolerates partial sun well. The compact growth habit makes it suitable for smaller pots. Dianthus adds a neat, structured appearance to the arrangement. Finally, Japanese forest grass, also known as Hakanakloa. This ornamental grass offers cascading foliage in green or golden tones. It thrives in part sun and brings a sense of movement. The arching leaves soften hard edges like railings or container rims. It works as a unifying element across different plant combinations. In a part-sun balcony garden, balance is key. Combine foliage-focused plants with seasonal bloomers. Use variation in height, texture, and color to create depth. Containers should provide good drainage and consistent moisture. Position taller plants toward the back or center and trailing types near the edges. With the right plant selection, even a small balcony can become a layered and visually rich garden space,